Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a zipper pocket in two styles. Okay, for first style, what we need is a fabric for main exterior, a piece of lining for the pocket, and a zipper. After we get the length of the zipper, we can draw the line. We make a long rectangle. The length is depend on the length of the zipper. 1.25 centimeter for the width of the intended opening. Make a little V to mark the center of the fabric. Then we put the good side of the lining to the good side of the main exterior or interior. It depends on where the pocket will be. Good side together, and I usually use 7 centimeter from the edge of the main interior or exterior, and we just pin it. And after we pin it, we sew the rectangle. What we next to do is cutting the center line of the rectangle, and I start from the corner of the triangle we have made before, and here I use the seam ripper. It makes me sure that the cutting is not cut the thread. And then flip it so the wrong side is together. We put the zipper on it. You can use the double dip to stabilize the position of the zipper so it won't move, or you can use pin, or you can just sew it with running stitch. It is up to you. And here I also make a little stitch for the edge. And of course, to sew it, we need a zipper foot. after sewing the zipper, before the lining of the pocket, and we start sewing the edge of the lining. But of course, in this task we don't need to use a zipper foot, so we use multi-purpose foots. Okay. For second style, we use synthetic leather, and it's the zipper and a slider. First, we make a small cut to mark the center of the fabric, and then we put the synthetic leather as a application. And here I use a double tape again, the small one, to attach it. And after I attach the synthetic leather, I start sewing around the edge. And here I use the oil, baby oil. You may use a baby body lotion or whatever to make your foot slide smoothly. I also use the Teflon foot. The next is we make a hole. We make an opening, and we can mark it from the corner of the synthetic leather. The next is we sew the zipper with the lining. The wrong side of the zipper to the right side of the lining. Then put the zipper with the lining to the to the main exterior or main interior we have made before. But before we sew it, we have to put the slider on the zipper. After we sure that the position is right on the center of the main exterior, we can sew it. But we just sew the lower part, and this is how I sew. If the slider meet the foot, just put the needle down and lift the foot up, and then after we slide the slider, we can put the foot down and keep our sewing. We fold the lining up, and then we sew the other edges of the opening. The two edges of the lining, and then we're done. Our pocket is ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments below. See you on my next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.